Welcome to the course on technical drawing. Myself Shobhra Mujumdar, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science and Humanities, Section Mechanical Engineering, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, under JIS Group, Kolkata. So today our discussion topic is Introduction to CAD and module. So this is part 2. Okay, that means in the last class we have already started our discussion on this topic, and already we have gone through the introduction part on the CAD as well as the AutoCAD. Okay, and we have discussed about some tools, toolbar, as well as menu, all these things. Okay, and today we will go to discuss about some initial comment, and then I will go to the AutoCAD screen to give you the original view and original location of all these things. Okay, so let's start our discussion. So the after opening the AutoCAD screen, okay, so first thing you have to do, that is you have to go for page setup. So why we go for page setup? Because in the last day we have already discussed about there is a large black screen is there, and this large black screen in front of you, that is known as drawing space. But whenever you just go for drawing in this drawing space, but what is the limitation of this drawing space? So there is no limitation. What is the measurement of this drawing sheet? Drawing sheet has infinite limit. Okay, so in this infinite limit, if you start your drawing initially, then what is the dimension of your of this drawing? That is meaningless. So for that purpose, first thing which you have to do, that is you have to go for page setup. So for this page setup, that means we set our page, that is like our drawing sheet. We virtually created our drawing sheet. Within that drawing space or within that drawing sheet, we will draw our all the drawing. Okay, so that means page setup means we virtually created our drawing space. Okay, nothing else. So for this the command that is known as MV setup command. So how to use this command? So in the last day we have already discussed about, so in the bottom portion in the AutoCAD screen, that is the command box is there. Okay, so in this command box, if you write that is MV ACT set up, there is no space. Okay, so you just write MV set up. After writing these things, you just press enter in your keyboard. Then the next step that is shown to you, that is in the command box. So you should always follow the command box. Okay, each and every steps are described in the command box. You just follow the command box and give your input. Ultimately you will reach your ultimate goal. So in the next line in the command box, it will ask you, that is enable paper space, no or yes. So our answer is no. We are not enable the space paper space, so that's why just type n for no. So in this AutoCAD, so there is a very big facility, that is whenever you have two options like yes or no. Suppose you have to go for yes, so you did not write to yes, that is full form of the yes, you didn't write. If you can, you can write, but this is totally unnecessary. If you just type the first letter of the word, that is like if you go for yes, you just only type y, enter. If you go for no, just write n, then press enter. So if you type the first letter of your word, the AutoCAD software will automatically understood you will go for which, that is either yes or no. So depending on the y and n, it will automatically understood. So that's why we only type n, enter. Okay, so this n may be capital or small. Okay, and then the next step, that is enter unit type. So in this command, there is a lot of unit types are there, like scientific, decimal, engineering, architectural, and metric. So in your engineering drawing, we generally give our dimensions in millimeter. Okay, so that's why you have to go for metric unit system. So for metric, you have to only enter this m. That is the first letter of the word, that is m. That is m, enter. The software will automatically understood, that is I will go for metric system. I am not write the whole word, that is metric, M-E-T-R-I-C. I am not write these things. I only type M, that is the first letter of the word. Software will automatically understood I will go for metric. Then the next step, the computer will ask you, that is enter scale factor. So I think this scale, what is scale? Scale is, all of you know. So that is in your earlier class, that is whenever we talk about the scale, that is plane scale, diagonal scale. So there is a term that is very useful term, that is representative fraction, RF. So here the scale factor is same as our representative fraction. That means how we represent our drawing in our AutoCAD. Okay, so how we represent? So that means if I type 1, so scale factor 1 means 1:1, that means full size scale. So if I type 2, that means we will go for 2:1, that is enlarging scale. So in that way, you just give your scale factor. Okay, so this scale factor may be enlarging scale or reducing scale. So depending on this enlarging or reducing, the value of scale factor is different. And for full size scale, that is 1:1, the scale factor is 1. So that's why I will type just 1, enter. The next step, the AutoCAD software will ask you, that is enter paper width. That is which paper sheet or drawing sheet I choose, what is the width of this paper. So in that case, we do not enter the measurement of the A2 size page, that is generally used in our manual drawing. Okay, so in that case, we will go for generally A4 size page, because after drawing in the AutoCAD software, what you do, you have to go for print your drawing. So whenever go for your print option, in the printer there is only A4 size page is available. Okay, so that's why in your computer screen you have to set your page as a A4 size page. Then you will start your drawing. Okay, then if you go for printing, there is no problem. Otherwise there is some problem may arise. You have to go for reducing scale, or sometimes you have to go for enlarging scale whenever you go for printing. But if you initially choose your page as a A4 size page, and if you start your drawing, then it will not become so much problem. Okay, so for A4 size page, what is the measurement of A4 size page? We know that is width of the A4 size page is 210 millimeter, and height, okay, and height is 297. So that's why the width is 210. You just type 210, then enter. After that, it will ask about the paper height. Enter the paper height. So for A4 size page, paper height is 297 millimeter. So you just only type 297, enter. Then automatically A4 size page is created in your drawing sheet. Okay, so let's see how it will create. So now come to our AutoCAD screen. Okay, So this is our AutoCAD screen in front of you. Okay, and this is in the last class I have already told you that is in my computer, in my laptop, the AutoCAD 2007 version is installed. Okay, so it is quite old version, but this is very basic things. Okay, if you go for this AutoCAD 2007 version, you can automatically drawn in your AutoCAD 13 or 15 or 18. Okay, so basic things are same. There is nothing is changed. Only some comments are given in front of you as an icon. Okay, but in this old version, that is not in front of you. You have to take this comment from this pull down menu. Okay, so here this is the AutoCAD screen, and this black screen in front of you, which I discussed in the last class. So this is known as our workspace. Okay, so this is our workspace or drawing space. So on this black screen you have to go for drawing, and this is the WCS icon. That is, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. So these are the sheet layout. Okay, 1 2, and this is the comment box. Okay, this is command is written here. This is the comment box, and there is lot of tools like in the last class we are discussed about the drawing tool. So before going to toolbar, so I will discuss about the pull down menu. So this is the pull down menu, like this is the file. So inside the file, this is new, open, all these things are there, which is discussed in the last class. Then the edit. So in the edit, like copy, cut, paste, clear, all these things are there. And in the view, we can see the view, that is redraw, zoom, plane, orbit, camera. Okay, all these things, that is display, I see US icon. Okay, all these things are there. Visual style, I will say about the isometric drawing. So this is the visual. You can change your visual style, it will automatically shown to you. Okay, so all these things are there. Now come to insert. So in the insert, this is the block. Okay, DWF, display, layout, 3D studio, all these things are there in the insert command. Now the format. So in the format, you can change your font, text style, color, all these things are there. Okay, so this is the tool. So in the tool, there is a lot of tools like UCS and CAD standard. All these things are tools are there. And in the draw tool, this is the draw toolbar. So in the draw toolbar, all these things are again given to here. Okay, so these tools are generally used for our drawing purpose, and this is the dimension. So these tools are useful for after drawing. Whenever I go for giving the dimension in our drawing, then these tools are generally used. Then modify, that means after drawing, if I go for modification, any modification, like if I go for erase, copy, mirror, offset, array, move, all these things, etc., etc., then I will use all these things. I will discuss all these things if I give time. Okay, I will discuss all these things. Then this express, window, and help. So from the help, you will get the online help. So now this is the draw tool. So all these things are there, but the draw toolbar is also there. Okay, so if I take this toolbar in front of you, so this is the draw toolbar. So in the draw toolbar, this is the line. If I go for here, this is construction line, this is polyline, this is polygon, this is rectangle. So similarly, if I move to the cursor on the command, the name of the command will show, like this is a circle, this is the hatch. Okay, so you need not to worry about that. So how to identify what is this command? Okay, if you forgot about that, you just move your cursor on that command and wait for a few minutes. The name of the command will visible to you. Okay, so in that draw toolbar, we only explain this line, how to draw a line. Then I will discuss about the rectangle, how to draw rectangle. Then I will discuss about circle. Okay, there is a various method to draw the circle. Then I will discuss about the polygon. Then I will discuss about hatch. So these 5 comments are there in your syllabus. So after discussing about this 5 command, then I will discuss about this modify toolbar. Okay, so this is the modify toolbar. So here it is written modify. That means this tool are generally used for modification purpose. Okay, I will discuss about this modify tool also, because whenever you go for a real life drawing, this modify toolbar is very much useful. Okay, so that's why I also discuss about all these tools. Okay, so I just kept this tool at here where it is situated initially. Yes, and now I will kept this toolbar at here, that is where it is situated. Just a minute. Yes, so this is the general toolbar, and this is the bi-layer toolbar. Okay, and if I forgot about any toolbar, you just click, you just right click on this here, and if you just right click on this space, blank space, so all these toolbars are in front of you. Okay, so these are the tick mark is there, that means these tools are visible in the window. Okay, all these tools are visible. These are the tick mark, that is draw toolbar. Yes, this is the draw toolbar, and this is the modify toolbar. Yes, there is a modify toolbar is there. Like these are tick codes. Tick means all these toolbars are in the window. Okay, so now I will start our discussion on line command. So before going to line command, I will see you that is how to use the MV setup command, that is page setup, because this working space in front of you, this represents have infinite dimensions. So if I just open this AutoCAD software and start our drawing, so that is totally meaningless, because you have to specify your drawing sheet first, then you will start your drawing. So that's why, and in this drawing, in this command box, first you have to press the escape button from your keyboard. Okay, if you press escape button, escape means cancel out all the existing command if it will run in the background. So I just press escape button 1 or 2 times, then I will write, that is MV set up. Okay, it is visible to you, that is MV set up. I just write these things, then press enter. So if you follow the command box, so it is written, that is enable paper space, yes or no? We know that is you have to go for no, that is enter. Then so all these steps I have written in the slide. Okay, so if you forgot these steps, you can follow the slide. Okay, so enter unit type. So here that is scientific, decimal, engineering, architectural and metric. All these unit systems are there and you have to go for metric. So that's why M. Okay, M, enter. So after that it will ask about the enter the scale factor. So here it is written how to write your scale factor, that is 1 means full size scale, 5 means 1:5, 10 means 1:10. Okay, so I will go for full size scale, so that's why I just type 1, enter. Then enter the paper width. So if I choose the A4 size page, so for A4 size page, the width of the A4 size page, width means this is the width and this is the height. So this width of the A4 size page is 210 millimeters. So that's why 210, enter. Then height is 297 millimeter. So 297, enter. Then this is this rectangular box in front of you which represents the A4 size page. And after that what you do, you have to press escape button, because if you follow the command box, so all these existing commands are there. So if you press the escape, it will go for cancel. So all the commands are cancelled out. So after creating this page, what you do, you just select this and press delete in your keyboard. Okay, so now you are thinking about how we are going to delete. So why should I draw and why should I delete? If it is deleted, then why should I draw? Okay, so this is a very big question. So I delete these things because whenever you go for drawing, so when I set up this page, so our page is set up for A4 size page, so don't worry about that. And now if I start our drawing, and inside that box, so if I draw, so that inside the box, so box is in my mind, so this is very difficult to draw inside that box. So that's why we remove the boundary. So you just remove your boundary and start your drawing, because your page is already set up for A4 size page. So don't worry about that and draw your you just concentrate your drawing and start to draw. Okay, and forget about the boundary. So that's why I delete. And after creating the page setup, the first command, that is line. Okay, so now come to our slide. So the next command is line. Okay, so from the name you can easily know that is line command means using this command we generally draw a straight line. Okay, so let's see how to draw. So this line command I can take from 3 different places. Like I can take this line command from the pull down menu bar, that is top of the window, and top of the window there is a draw tools is there, and from this draw tool I can easily take the line command. But we can take this line from the icon in the draw toolbar. So this is the icon which is in front of you. I can just double click on this, so I can take this line command, or we can take this line command just typing it. So in the command box, so below the command box, in the command box you just type, that is LINE, line, enter. then you can get the line comment. Or simply type L, enter, then only you can get the line comment. Okay, so there is various way to get this line comment. So I will explain all the way how to get this line comment. So now choice is yours. During drawing, which process or from where you take the line comments is totally up to you. Facility is given to you. Okay. So after taking the line comment, the next step, that is specify first point. So now the software are asking about what is your first point. Choose the first point. So using the mouse you can choose. So like this is our first point. I can choose this is the first point, or you can type it. Okay, that is @40 less than 0. So in that way, so what is the meaning of this? @40 less than 0, that means @40, that means it will placed from the XY coordinate system, that means the WCS. Okay, so it's from the WCS coordinate, the position of this first point or coordinate of this first point is 40. Okay, that is in the x-axis it will go for 40, and less than 0, that means the angle is 0 degree. Similarly, specify the next point. So next point I just write, that is @80 less than 90. That means from this first point you have to draw the next point which is situated at a distance 80, and angle it will make, that is 90 degree to the horizontal. Similarly, specify the next point. I will choose the next point like @40 less than 180. In that way I can take n number of lines at my choice, and after that I will press the close or undo U enter. Automatically I will escape from the line comment. Okay, so let's see how it will work in the AutoCAD screen. So go to AutoCAD page. Yes, so this is our AutoCAD screen. So how to get this line comment? So this is the pull down menu. So from here this is the draw and this is the line. Okay, from here I can easily take this line comment, or so this is the draw toolbar. From here this is the line comment. Okay, from here I can also take this line comment, or this is the comment box. Okay, if I just type here, there is line, L-I-N-E, line, enter, then I will get the line comment. Okay, or simply I just type only L, the first word of the comment, that is L, enter, then I will also take the line comment. So it will asking about the specify the first point. So from the mouse I can choose the first one. Suppose I choose the first point at here. Now it will asking about specify the next point. So this next point I can choose at any point. Suppose I choose at from mouse at here, it will choose here. Suppose I choose at here, it will take at here. Next point, suppose I choose at here, it will take at here. Now I just join these two. Yes, it will take at here. So how to escape from that? Because it will continuously draw on the line. So how to escape? You just right click and press enter. Okay, so this is the one way, or only press the escape button from the keyboard. Okay, press the escape button, it will automatically escape from all the comment. So we can say the escape button as a Brahmastra. Okay, if you press the escape button, it will automatically escape from all the comment. Okay, so that's why we can say this escape button as a Brahmastra. So don't take seriously. I will so So in that way I can easily draw this line, but generally I am not drawn like this. So how to draw? So I'm just delete this line. So I just select, then press delete. Okay, so how to draw line, let's see. So I just take this line command from here and choose the first point, and now the second point. So where is the second point? I just suppose I want to draw a line which having length 100 millimeter, okay, and horizontal direction obviously. So at the rate 100 less than 0, okay. So I want to draw a horizontal line which having length 100. So that's why I put here at the rate 100. So after at the rate, whatever I written, that is the length of the line, and after less than, whatever I write, that is the angle. So just write this and press enter. So automatically it will draw a line at horizontal direction, and this length is 100. Now from here, suppose I want to draw a vertical line, okay, which is perpendicular to this horizontal at a height 50 millimeter above. How to draw? Again come to here and write, that is at the rate 50 less than, what is the angle with the horizontal? That is 90 degree, because it is a vertical line, okay. So less than 90. So automatically it will take a point vertically upward 90 degree with length 50. Now I want to draw a line in this left side direction, okay, and automatically it will show the angle is 180 degree, okay. So and the length is 100. So again I will type, that is at the rate 100, but now the angle is not 0. Now the angle is 180 degree. That means horizontally leftward direction, okay. So in this direction I want to draw a horizontal line. So that's why the angle is 180 degree. Then press enter. So automatically it will choose a point here, and now if I just click on this point, it will automatically take the line up to this, but I am not doing like that. How to join this point? So just type at the rate, length is 50 less than, what is the angle? That is 270 degree. 270 degree from this horizontal axis. So enter. Then how to escape from this? You have to press the escape. You can, but you can press this enter. Just right click and press, or you have to press the enter from your keyboard. It will automatically escape. Then you have to press the escape button from your keyboard. So this is the rectangle. So I draw a rectangle using the line command very easily, okay. And now the thing is that I can draw this line command. I'm just using this line. So sometimes, so all this line are the orthogonal line, okay. This is not inclined. So all these are the orthogonal line. So whenever I will draw a orthogonal line, I can easily draw this orthogonal line very easily. How to draw? So let's come to the slide. So here, this is the movement of cursor, okay. So to regulate or restrict the movement of the cursor in the drawing sheet, snap, grid, ortho, polar, or snap, etc. are used, which are given in the status bar, okay. So all these commands are there in the status box, but from all these things, two commands are very useful. One is this ortho, another is osnap. So today I will discuss about this ortho mode, and I will again show you how to draw a line using this ortho mode, and next day I will discuss about this osnap. Okay, so let's see that is what is ortho. So ortho mode is generally used for orthographic drawing, that is using ortho mode on, cursor is moved in 0 degree, that is horizontal direction, this is the angle is 0 degree, or 90 degree, or 180 degree, or 170 degree. Okay, whenever line is moved or line is positioned like that, that is 0, 90, 180 or 170, that means in the orthogonal direction. Orthogonal direction means 90 degree to each other, that is it is either parallel to horizontal or it is parallel to vertical. So to activate this ortho mode, so how to activate this ortho mode? I can directly click on the status bar, or if I press the function key F8, it will automatically ortho mode on. How to off this ortho mode? Again press the F8, then it will automatically off the ortho mode, or double click on ortho from the status bar, or you have to press Ctrl L. If you press Ctrl L, then also you can get the ortho mode on. So in the figure I will show you two line using this. So this line is drawn with ortho mode on, and this line is drawn with ortho mode off. Okay, so let's come to the AutoCAD screen, and let's see how to draw a line using ortho mode on or off. So this is our AutoCAD screen, and this is the ortho mode in the status bar. Now it is in off position. Okay, so if I just on this ortho mode and now take the line, and now you can see I have not draw a line at inclined position. So using ortho mode on, it is not possible to draw a line at inclined. Okay, so you always draw a line in orthogonal direction. Okay, so I just choose the first point, and in that direction, suppose the length is I just put the length, that is 100. Automatically it will take. So now above, that is 50. So here it is 50 is written. So 50, enter. In that direction again 100, enter. Now I just join, or you can give the 50, enter. Okay, now press the enter. So in that way, using ortho mode on, I can easily draw the orthogonal line. It is very easy. But whenever you go for inclined line, then you just off this ortho mode. So ortho mode off. Now you draw the line at an incline. So choose the first point. So this is the first point. Suppose I want to draw a line whose length is 100 millimeter, but inclined with the horizontal at 45 degree. How to draw? So here, that is specify the next point. So in the next point you have to write at the rate, length is 100, so 100 less than 45 degree. Okay, you just write this thing, that is at the rate 100 less than 45. Then press enter. It will automatically take a line which is inclined at 45 degree with the horizontal, and length is 100. So how to escape? So you just press the right click and enter. Okay, so in that way you can easily draw a line. Okay, so the line comment is over. So next day I will discuss about the other comments, and as well as I will discuss about how to give the dimensions, because dimensions is very very important, because I'm just drawn a line with length 100, angle 45, very good, but how to check it is 45 or 60? Until or unless given the dimensions, our drawing is useless. Okay, so in the next day, initially we will start our discussion from dimension, how to give dimensions, then I will go for other comments. So today, up to this, thank you.